In today's digital world, your personal data is literally everywhere. And keeping track of it, it feels impossible. Think about it. Your information is tied to your credit cards, your social media accounts, and countless public records. And then there's the dark web, where criminals actively trade and sell the personal information they've stolen. You can't monitor all of this on your own, but IDShield can. It's comprehensive protection for your digital life. IDShield constantly monitors your identity, keeping an eye on financial thresholds, your credit score, and even data brokers. It goes beyond just alerts. IDShield includes VPN access and device protection to secure your connection wherever you go. And if the worst does happen, you aren't left to fix it alone. IDShield provides full-service restoration by licensed private investigators to help restore your identity. We even cover your spouse and dependent children, backing our service with up to $3 million in identity fraud protection. Don't leave your digital life to chance. Protect your identity and your finances with IDShield. Sign up today.